Can I use an iPad as a remote control?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today we are going to tackle an exciting topic. Have you ever wondered, can I use my iPad as a remote control? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. Your iPad can indeed become a powerful universal remote control for a wide range of devices around your home. Let's dive in to understand how you can make this happen.
What do I need?
Before we jump into the how to part, it's important to know what you need. The key elements here are: 1. Your iPad. Make sure it's charged and connected to your home Wi-Fi network. 2. Compatible devices. These include smart TVs, smart home devices, streaming devices, and others that can connect to the internet. 3. Remote control apps. These are available in the App Store and allow your iPad to function as a universal remote.
How to choose the right app?
The App Store has many options for remote control apps, but which one is right for you? Well, it all depends on the devices you want to control. For example, if you are mainly interested in controlling your smart TV and streaming devices, an app like Apple's Remote App or Universal Remote TV Smart could be a great choice. If you're keen on controlling a broader range of smart home devices, consider an app like iRule or Roomy Remote that offers broader functionality.
How to set up the app and connect your devices?
After you've chosen and downloaded the app that best suits your needs, it's time to set it up. 1. Open the app and follow the instructions. This usually involves adding the devices you want to control. Make sure your iPad and the devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. 2. Depending on the app, you may be asked to choose the brand and model of your devices or scan for devices on your network. 3. After you've added your devices, you can start using your iPad as a remote control.
Can I control devices not on my Wi-Fi network?
This depends on the app and the device, but generally, your iPad needs to be on the same Wi-Fi network as the devices it is controlling. Some apps offer cloud-based functionality that lets you control devices even when you're not home. However, this often requires a subscription. There you have it. With the right tools and a bit of setup, your iPad can double as a handy universal remote control, giving you control over a variety of smart devices right at your fingertips. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you the potential of your iPad beyond just a tablet. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, happy tech adventures!